In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the website name in Webflow. This process is straightforward and just a few clicks away, making it easy for anyone to update the name of their website without any hassle. Whether you're rebranding or simply made a typo when initially setting up your site, this guide will get you through the steps smoothly. First things first, let's access your Webflow design editor. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. You'll notice a Webflow logo or a site logo displayed there. This is your starting point. Clicking on this logo will reveal a drop-down menu offering various options related to your project. From this menu, you'll need to select Site Settings. Clicking Site Settings will redirect you to the Site Settings page, which houses all the administrative controls for your website. Now that you're on the Site Settings page, it's time to navigate to the General section. This section contains the essential options for managing the backbone of your website's identity. Look for a text box labeled as the site name, which should be quite easy to locate. This box currently holds the existing name of your website. To change the name, simply click inside this text box, highlight the current name, and type in your desired new name. It's as simple as that. However, remember that choosing a suitable name is crucial since it represents your brand and forms an essential part of your online presence. Make sure the new name reflects your site's purpose and resonates with your intended audience. Once you've made sure that everything is as it should be, it's time to save your changes. Move your cursor to the top right of the page where you'll find the Save button. Click on Save to confirm and apply the modifications you've made. After you've clicked the Save button, your changes will be immediately updated, and your website's new name will now represent your brand moving forward. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you've successfully changed your website's name on Webflow. Remember, keeping your site's name updated and reflective of your brand is vital for maintaining a strong identity online. By following these steps routinely, you ensure that your site remains current and professional. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process clear and manageable for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or check out more resources on Webflow's Help Center. Until next time, happy designing.